In this video, I'll show you how to invite people to your Discord server. So this video is basically an educational video, so ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, if you want to invite someone to your Discord server, what you're going to do right now, you're going to head over to your server, right? So this is our server, this is the HowTo server. So for you to make this happen, or in any other server, so I'm using this my server as an example, you're going to click right here, right? Once I've clicked on it, you're going to see this invite people. Click on it. Once I've clicked on it, something is going to open up, right? So you can either send them a direct invite request to join up your Discord server, or you can get the link of your Discord server and maybe give to friends and families, So this is basically how you can invite someone to a Discord server. If you find this video helpful, please share to us below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.